Hello, my name is Yingwu Liu. I'm the Technology and Cost Analysis in Yole Group. My analysis covers high-performance IC, advanced packaging, and MCU and memory-related teardown. In Yole Group, we have our own lab to process the sample. We can open the components. We have the microscope, we have infrared microscope, and SEM, FIB, and the chemical wet bench to process the sample so that we can analyze further our sample. We have a very complete track database that can help us to understand better the semiconductor devices. So we have more than 1,000 smartphones open in our company, and this year we have more than 300 automotive modules that processed in our analysis. In fact, computing plays a very important role that covering all the semiconductor. It's always have the leading edge technology inside, from consumer, automotive to the high-performance computer. For example, the A17 from Apple, it's a very good example because it was fabricated by using the TSMC N3B technology, and this is the first chip that can be used to manufacture this way. The most advanced technology is always using in computing field. We see more and more processor in automotive or in server processor. It's using the 3nm technology. Even Samsung now, for their watch, they are using the 3nm GAAFET to manufacture this chip. So today the consumer, they expect the car to have a user-friendly, just like their smartphone. So the high demand in the high computing capability is increased. They want the processor to deal with the high resolution display and AI functionality and so on. Especially for ADAS application, the consumer now they are prioritizing the safer functionality inside ADAS. So all these demands are pushing ADAS processor to have a more powerful capability to do the high algorithm and to deal with multi-sensors data. So because of this importance, Yole Group decided to conduct the important reverse engineering and several teardown on the automotive application like HADA, LIDAR, camera, central unit, and infotainment ECU. And this analysis allows us to better understand the strategy and the cost structure supply chain of this domain. This enabled us to identify the technical breakthrough and understand their technology and strategy. Today, the most advanced technology we observe is using inside the central units and the infotainment system. For example, the Qualcomm A8295 APU is manufactured by using Samsung 5nm technology. So as to the future for the automotive semiconductor, I think the more and more powerful processor will come out. For example, this year Renesas announced the first 3nm processor. This chip will be in mass production in 2027. You can see that a more powerful processor is required. So maybe inside in the near future, we will see the AI function like a smartphone in the car soon. So ADAS and infotainment are the two domains that requires the most advanced chips. And now it's Mobileye and Qualcomm have the biggest market share in these two domains respectively. However, now the Chinese car maker, they are developing their own processor like BYD, Geely, XPeng, and NIO. You can see that traditionally they don't develop their own chips, and now the supply chain is changing. So far, we see Chinese domestic chip mostly manufactured by using 7nm and 16nm. So computing is everywhere. That's why Yole Group has a strong expertise in this domain. And we will continue to investigate more in this domain. We collect the information worldwide from the events, seminar, forum, and many conferences. Visit our website www.yolegroup.com. Follow us to see the breakthrough technology and market trend. Thank you.